Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. Today I have a process video for you using the Ali Edwards Story Kit, Kindness. Now for my background page, I decided to use the Kindness stamp with the VersaFine stamp, gray stamp. I think it's called Morning Mist. And I'm going to stamp the word kindness all the way across the cardstock. Now this is what takes the longest in this process video. Otherwise, it's a very fast, simple layout. So I've done it all, and now I'm showing you this picture that I have, and I took two 4x6 cards from the kit, and I'm using them as layering for my photo. And this photo is a picture of me holding one of my kids' hands. And I don't want to tell too much of the story because that's his story to tell and not mine. And so I just wrote just a little generic kind of thing as a reminder to him and to me about kindness. And so I'm going through the 3x4 cards, and I decide to use this Moments of Kindness card. And then I use this Kindness Matters 3x4, and I'm going to just wonky cut it with mini snips by Tim Holtz, and I'm just kind of wonky cutting a heart, and I'm going to use that as an embellishment for an embellishment cluster up in the top left hand side of the photo. Now I don't expect it to be perfect, so I'm okay with that. I use the Stampin' Up! Foam Dimensionals to pop it up onto the top left hand side of the photo, and you'll see I just put that there. And then I'm going to do my journaling, and I'm using a Zebra Sarasa vintage dark gray pen, and I wrote, Christian, always be kind to yourself. There are many people who love you. Count your blessings. And I just put the date. So I'm going to put that to the right hand side of the photo, and I'm going to use foam adhesive for that as well. And I do love the Stampin' Up! Foam Dimensionals the best because they are really thin, so it doesn't take up too much space in my album. I'm going to use the Felicity Jane date stamp to stamp this for my journaling, and I'm going to go ahead and adhere that down. After I do that, I'm using my ATG for portion of it, and then portion of it I'm going to pop up with the Stampin' Up! Foam Dimensionals, as you'll see there. And I only take off the sticky portion of one side because I like to be able to put more layers under there if I want to. So I only take off the sticky portion and put that to the topmost part of the layout, of the dimensional. Now I'm using this chipboard that came with the kit, and it says be kind to yourself, and I'm lining that up with the photo on the bottom of that photo. Now I'm looking at the word stickers that came with this kit, and I'm going to use 3 of them because I like to do things in threes, and I'm going to use the words kind-hearted, kindness starts here, and love you onto the top left of the photo, overlapping the heart that says kindness matters. After that, I'm going to also go through the rest of my embellishments, and I have 3 of the felt hearts here, and I'm going to use my Tombow Mono multi-adhesive to adhere this to the layout. The Tombow Mono multi-adhesive is great for adhering anything that is not paper to the layout. So I'm going to put that into the top left corner, the bottom right corner, and the top right of the layout. Of the photo. Now I'm using the Dr. P.H. Martins to do ink splatters on my page. After I do that, I'm going to use the Nuvo Crystal Drops, and this is in the color Rosewater, and I'm going to put 3 dots onto the 3 areas of embellishment just to give it a little color there in contrasting to the black ink. After I do that, I think I'm going to add more embellishments, and so I use these rose gold starbursts that came with the kit, and I'm going to put 1 in each embellishment cluster, and I'm using the Tombow Mono multi-adhesive to the 3 cluster areas, and then I call this layout done. That was a quick layout. The longest part was stamping kindness onto the cardstock. Thank you so much for joining me for this process video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.